हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम ओडिशा OSSC CHSL सॉइल कंजर्वेशन एक्सटेंशन वर्कर का जो एग्ज़ाम है उसका हम कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस क्वेश्चन देखेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है, द डेस्क में आल्सो बी कॉल्ड द स्क्रीन ऑफ और मॉनिटर। द डेस्क में आल्सो बी कॉल्ड द स्क्रीन और मॉनिटर। ए स्कैनर, बी प्रिंटर, हार्ड डिस्क, डी सॉफ्टवेयर, ई डिस्प्ले। The right answer is display. Next question. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately. Dash is used. The ability to find an individual item in a file immediately. Dash is used. Option A, directory. Option B, file allocation table. Option C, sequential access. Option D, direct access. Option E, none of these. The right answer is the ability to find an individual item in a file immediately is direct access. Next question. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into. Option A, information. Option B, web series. Option C, program. Option B, object. None of these. The primary purpose of software is to turn data into. Right answer is information. Next question. The most important or powerful computer in typical network is. The most important or powerful computer in a typical network is network client, desktop, C, network server, D, network station, E, none of this. Right answer is network server. Next question. What menu is selected to cut, copy and paste? What menu is selected to cut, copy and paste? A, tool, B, file, C, special, D, edit, none of these. Right answer is option D, edit. The dash is the process of finding error in software code. Dash is the process of finding error in software code. A, testing, B, compiling, C, running, D, debugging, E, none of these. Right answer is debugging. Next question. Which of the following is an example of connectivity? Which of the following is an example of connectivity? A, floppy disk, B, internet, C, power cord, D, data, E, none of these. Right answer is B, internet. Next question. Storage that retain its data after the power is turned off is referred to as. Storage that retain its data after the power is turned off is referred to as. A, non-volatile storage, B, volatile storage, C, sequential storage, D, direct storage, E, none of these. Right answer is non-volatile storage. Next question. The dash key will launch the start button. The dash key will launch the start button. Option A, shift. Option B, escape. Option C, Windows. Option D, shortcut. Right answer is Windows. Next question. Computer use the dash number system to store data and perform calculation. Computer use the dash number system to store data and perform calculation. A, hexadecimal, B, decimal, C, octal, B, binary. Option E, none of these. The right answer is option D, binary. Computer use the dash number system to store data and perform calculation. Option D, binary. Next. Virtual memory is in RAM, memory on the hard disk, and the CPU uses an extended RAM. Option C, only necessary if you do not have any RAM in your computer. Option D, a backup device for floppy disk. None of these. Virtual memory is B. Option B, memory on the hard disk that CPU uses as an extended RAM. Next question. Changing an existing document is called dash document. Changing an existing document is called dash document. Editing, creating, modifying, adjusting. Option A, editing. A dash contains specific rules and words that express the logical step of an algorithm. A dash contains specific rules and words that express the logical steps of an algorithm. Option A, programming structure. Option B, syntax. Option C, programming language. Option D, logic chart. Option E, none of these. Right answer is option C, programming language. Next question. The dash tells the computer how to use its component. The dash tells the computer how to use its component. A. Network. B. Utility. C. Operating system. D. Application program. Option E. None of these. Right answer is C. Operating system. Which of the following is the largest unit of storage? Which of the following is the largest unit of storage? KB, GB, MB, and TB. Right answer is option D, TB. Which of the following is the largest unit of storage? Option D, TB. Which grouping do you work with when formatting text in Word? Option A, paragraph, index, section, table, paragraph, index. Option C, character, section, paragraph. Option D, indexes, character, and table. Right answer is characters, section, and paragraph. When sending an email, the dash line describes the content of the message. When sending an email, the dash line describes the content of the message. Option A, subject. Option B, to. Option C, content. Option C, CC. Right answer is option A, subject. Next question. To move to the beginning of a line of text, press the dash key. To move to the beginning of a line of text, press the dash key. Option A, B, home, page up, D, enter, E, none of these. Right answer is home. A flat metallic disc that contains a large amount of permanently stored information read optically is called a option A, ALU, option B, monitor, option C, CD-ROM, option D, RAM. And the right answer is CD-ROM. A flat metallic disc that contains a large amount of permanently stored information read optically is called a CD-ROM. Next question. How do you save a presentation under a new file name? How do you save a presentation under a new file name? Option A, when you close PowerPoint, the file will automatically be saved. Option B, select the file menu and choose save as. Option C, select the file menu and choose save. And option D, the file will automatically be saved under the new name if you change the title. Option E, none of these. The right answer is select the file menu and choose save as. Next question. The sequence of events that occur in the computer when it is interpreting and executing an instrument is known as. The sequence of events that occurs in the computer when it is interpreting and executing an instruction is known as execution cycle. Option B, execution cycle. The part of computer that coordinates all its function is called its. The part of computer that coordinates all its function is called its system board, ROM program, arithmetic logic unit, control unit. Option D, none of these. The right answer is control unit. The part of computer that coordinates all its function is called its control unit. Option next question. Periodically adding, changing, and deleting file record is called. Periodically adding, changing, and deleting file record is called. Option A, upgrading. Option B, updating. C, restructuring, renewing. Option E, none of these. Right answer is updating. Digital banking can be resorted through internet, mobile phone, telephone, all of the above. None of these. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Internet, mobile phone, telephones. Which of the following is appropriate method to shut down computer? Which of the following is appropriate method to shut down computer? Click start, then select restart the computer. Click start, then select shutdown, and finally select shutdown. Option C, switch off the power. Option D, switch off monitor and printer. Right answer is option B, click start, then select shutdown, and finally select shutdown. Next question. The user generally applies dash to access mainframe or supercomputer. Apply hyphen. The user generally apply hyphen to access mainframe supercomputer. Option A, node. B, terminal. C, desktop. D, handheld. Right answer is option B, terminal. A computer message is, do you really want to delete the selected files? The users click yes key. It is called. A computer message is, do you really want to delete the selected files? The user click yes key is called user output, program response, user response, program output. Right answer is user response. To open disk, mouse pointer is placed on disk icon and then. To open disk, mouse pointer is placed on disk icon and then. Option A, mouse is double click. Option B, mouse is dragged pushing the button. Mouse is rotated around. Mouse is clicked after rotating it. None of these. Right answer is mouse is double click. To open disk, mouse pointer is placed on the disk icon and then mouse is double click. Restarting a computer that is already on is referred to as. Restarting a computer that is already on is referred to as cold booting, shutdown, warm booting, logging off, none of these. And the right answer is warm booting. What is the purpose of software documenting? What is the purpose of software documenting? Option A, to sell software to handsome price. Option B, use and maintenance of software. Option C, to sell software to many customers. Option D, to show its importance. None of the above. Right answer is use and maintenance of software. If you want to move an icon on your desktop, this is called, if you want to move an icon on your desktop, this is called highlighting, double clicking, dragging, pointing. Right answer is option C, dragging. A group of related record in a database is called. A group of related record in a database is called an object, a column, a key, a table. None of these above. A group of related record in a database is called a table. RAM stand for a readily accessible memory, random access memory, random accessible memory, read access memory, memorize, none of the above. And the right answer is random access memory, option number B. Next question. All of the following are example of input devices except mouse, scanner, keyboard, printer. All of the following are example of input device except mouse, scanner, keyboard, printer. Right answer is printer. Next question. The name for the way that computer manipulate data into information is called processing, programming, storing, organizing, none of these. The name of the way that computer manipulate data into information is called option number A, processing. A desk system is small wireless handheld computer that scan an item tag and pulls up the current price as you shop. POS. Desk is data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Desk is data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Software process storage information. Right answer is information. All of the following are example of real security and privacy risk except all of the following are example of real security and privacy risk except spam, hackers, viruses, identity theft. Right answer is spam. Spam. In Windows by default the files when deleted are sent to recycle bin, dustbin, waste bin, recycle waste bin, none of the above. And the right answer is recycle bin. Next question. The network connecting several computers all over the internet is internet, intranet, ARPnet, network, LAN. The network connecting several computers all over the world is internet. Which type of software is similar to an accountant's worksheet? Database, word processing, spreadsheet, graphic, file manager. Right answer is spreadsheet. Which key should be pressed to start a new page in MS Word? Enter key, down cursor key, shift plus enter, control plus shift plus control plus enter. Right answer is shift plus control plus enter. Outlook Express is a scheduler, email client, address book, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. In spreadsheet, a cell is defined as the intersection of file and a database, intersection of a table and a document, intersection of a row and column, intersection of a field and a record. Right answer is intersection of a row and column. The most popular internet activity is desk computer, 17 system set, watching movie trailer, downloading music, shopping for book. Option D, emailing. Right answer is emailing. The key level 0 to 9 on the keyboard are called numeric key, function key, typewriter key, special key, alpha key. Right answer is numeric key. A terminal that cannot process any information is called intelligent terminal, direct access terminal, smart terminal, blind terminal, dumb terminal. Right answer is dumb terminal. Which of the following is an operating system? MSC Mac, MS Windows, MS DOS, Windows NT. Which of the following is an operating system? All of the above. A desk contains buttons and menus that provide quick access to commonly used command. Menu bar, toolbar, Windows Find. Right answer is menu bar. A desk is a design tool that geographically shows the logic in a solution algorithm. A desk is a design tool that geographically shows the logic in a solution algorithm. Hierarchical chart, flow chart, structure chart, context diagram. Right answer is flow chart. GUI stand for graphical user interface, Gnutella universal interface, graphical universal install, general utility interface. Right answer is graphical user interface. Example of non-numeric data: examination score, employee address, bank balance, all of the above. Right answer is none of the above. The ability of an OS to run more than one application at a time is called multitasking. Right answer is multitasking. When you want to move some text from one page to a different page, the best method is answer cut and paste, drag and drop, delete and retype, find and replace. Right answer is cut and paste. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the loader, compiler, operating system, assembler. C. Operating system. A CPU contains an analytical engine and a control unit, a card reader and a printing device, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Option D, an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Right answer is a control unit, option C, and an arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following peripheral device display information to a user? Keyboard, monitor, secondary storage device, secondary storage media. Right answer is option B, monitor. Dash represent raw fact, whereas dash is data made meaningful. Option A, data information reporting, information bits, record byte, bits byte. Data represent raw fact, whereas information data made meaningful. Option number A. Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called option A, password, option B, entry code, security command, code word. Right answer is option A, password. .bas, .doc and .htm are example of extension, database, domain, protocol. Right answer is option A, extension. Which of the following display the content of active cell? Which of the following display the content of active cell? Menu bar, toolbar, name box, formula bar. Right answer is formula bar. Which type of resource does have greater probability to become a shared resource in a computer network? Which type of resource does have greater probability to become shared resource in a computer program? A, speaker, B, printer, C, floppy disk driver, D, keyboard, none of the above. Right answer is printer. When we move any row or column, the next text of moved cell remain at its place, but formatting moves with the cell, moves with cell and formatting is lost. Moves with cell and same program formatting are changed. Right answer is moves with the cell. And the final question is, in cell programming, which of the following command is used for character translation? In cell programming, which of the following command is used for character translation? A, dd, B, tr, grep, acd. इट इज़ फॉर यू, ये आपके लिए है. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप कमेंट में दीजिए। और अगर पसंद है, वीडियो पसंद लगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।